When you improve your professional skills, your efficiency skyrockets. And this video featuring masters of their craft will convince you of that. An experienced craftsman knows how to build a wall combining regular and glass bricks. An unusual way to clean your car from concrete residue. A symphony of perfectly synchronized teamwork. Now polyurethane is used to lift concrete foundation. It's satisfying to watch a well-coordinated team deliver mortar to the second floor. With just one bucket, he can easily move around the room. Sometimes extreme measures are needed to level concrete. With 30 workers, any wall can be raised. Thanks to these shovels, removing old parquet won't be a big problem. Who would have thought that you can turn regular concrete into a real tree? Using an umbrella for sun protection while working prevents overheating. He knows how to prevent mortar from drying too quickly in cold weather. You need to heat plastic pipes to properly reconnect them. The excavator driver easily overcomes a massive concrete obstacle. They sped up the work process by using an excavator. Stakes are easily driven into the ground using the excavator bucket. He knows how to build a thatched roof using forgotten techniques. With no other molds, this craftsman created a realistic stone wall. Concrete dries faster when it's fired with a gas torch. This is a way to give your backyard a stunning look. With such a skilled approach, the concrete foundation becomes smoother. Using this tool, they easily set the post in the right position. These 4 workers are installing concrete slabs using only 2 pipes. I know you love this video. Share it with your friends and start watching the next one. It's going to be even cooler.